riot by one line. However, Afghanistan has elevated kite flying or Gudi Paran Bazi to an art form because of the delicate precision that goes into the making of the kites. In Afghanistan, kite flying is held in the city of Kabul, and Afghans of all ages gather to look at the kites, and they also make bets. As Hosseini states in his novel The Kite Runner, the most coveted prize was the last fallen kite of the winter tournament. It was a sign of honor, something to be kept in the mantle to be admired by guests.
Is Sunni Muslims. So Sunni Muslims are one of the kinds of Muslims that originate from Afghanistan. They are one of the most popular non-Muslims, and they are also very rich and own a lot of property of great value. They are also a group of struggling Muslims like all other groups of Muslims. Sunni Muslims believe a lot in Islam and follow the religion abiding by all rules and regulations. So the rules and regulations of Islam also include no consumption of alcohol nor smoking. So they also abide by these rules, and the very religious Sunni Muslims completely do not consume alcohol and follow all the rules of Islam. Sunni Muslims are also considered to be one of the upper caste Muslims. Some Sunni Muslims also believe that women should not work outside the house, and women should only be working at home doing household work. Whereas some other Muslims believe that this is not true. Sunni Muslims believe that women are supposed to cover every part of themselves except for the eyes and their hands and legs. The Sunni Muslims also believe that women should only walk out of the house along with a male companion, even if it is a child.
Yeah, sorry. When a baby is born, the Pashtuns whisper the call of prayer in the baby's ear. The male circumcision is done at the same time as the birth ceremony. Pashtuns work a variety of occupations in agriculture, business and trade. The Pashtun tribal society is categorized at a very high degree of violence, conflict and mistrust. He is not a Pathan who does not give up low for a pinch. Pashtuns have a passion for freedom and independence and defend their territories from their invaders. They are the fearless fighters. Thank you.
Today I am here to share some information about the mosque in Afghanistan. The mosque in Afghanistan, which they call it masjid, and the priest in it is called the mullah. The mosque is used for various number of purposes. It is not only used for praying, but it is also used as a school room, occasionally used for public meetings, and sometimes even travelers stay overnight. Alright, for every other thing there are rules and regulations. Even the mosque has some rules and regulations. The foreigners need to take permission before they enter the mosque, and they need to remove their footwear outside the doorstep, and they need to be dressed in proper Islamic costume. And don't use the bad language, no smoking, and if any case of danger is caught in the mosque, a dog should not be got inside to search inside the mosque. There are a huge variety of mosques in Afghanistan. The largest mosque is the Abdul Rahman Mosque, and the Blue Mosque, which is a great beauty of heritage in Afghanistan. It is said that once people only went to Afghanistan to visit the mosque and to have pictures with it. It was that famous. But then later, due to Afghanistan's rules and regulations, people really didn't want to go and visit over there. And now, if Afghanistan is known for something for the beauty and heritage, it is the